Investing in an individual retirement account, an IRA, can be a smart way to save for retirement, offering tax advantages and a variety of investment options. Now, to get started, you're going to first need to choose between a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. The key difference lies in how they are taxed. Traditional IRAs allow you to deduct contributions from your taxable income, with taxes paid upon withdrawal, while Roth IRAs offer tax-free withdrawals in retirement, but contributions are made with after-tax dollars. So once you've selected the type of IRA that suits your financial goals, next step is to open an account. Many banks, credit unions, online brokers offer IRA accounts, so you can do it by completing an application either in the personal. You can do it in person or online. You're going to provide your personal information, choose your investments, which can range from stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. Regular contributions to your IRA within annual limits will help you grow your savings over time. So you're going to consider automating your contributions to consistent growth. And additionally, periodic reviewing your assets allocations is important to adjust market conditions and evolving risk tolerance. So remember, investing in an IRA is a long-term strategy aimed at securing your financial stability for your retirement years. That's what you got to understand. Let me know if this helped.